To forex success. So guys, in 2 minutes I'm going to answer a question that a lot of persons have been asking me about crash and boom. Yeah, so right now this is the question: does stop loss work for boom and crash? Yes, that is the question a lot of you have been asking. Okay, this is a two-way thing. Does stop loss work for boom and crash? The answer is yes, it does work, but not at the exact point if there is a spike. I'll take that again. Spike, stop loss and take profit, or that it works for crash and boom, but not at the exact point which it was placed if it has to be taken out by a spike. Good. We are trading. Okay, I'm gonna be showing you this example on crash 500 index. This is crash 500 index, guys, and I'll take it to the 1 minute time frame. I'm only trying to explain to you that, take for instance, you placed a buy right here. You see this point? You place the buy right this point. Please watch it carefully. I know it's not that clear, but if you place the buy right here and then you place the stop loss right below it, and then the market moved up to the upside and then gave the spike, your spike is not going to be taken out right here. Why? Because this guy is too fast. Literally, you don't see the spike. You don't even see when the spike is coming down. It's not like a spike that moves down step by step. No, it just, you just see what it has spiked. That's only what you see. It has spiked. We got a spike. You're not going to see it spiking. I've never heard of it spiking on crash and boom. No, you only see here we just got a spike, or it has spiked. Exactly. So that same thing is affecting that your stop loss order, that it won't be able to get it won't be able to be activated right there. It's gonna be activated right here. So if you are putting a stop loss right here, just keep in your mind, at the back of your mind, that this is where your stop loss is gonna be activated. So at the end of this spike, your trade will be closed. Why? Because you set a stop loss. So the bad thing about this is that it's gonna take out more money from you than you actually budgeted. So let's say your stop loss right here is just about $5. When it spikes out to the downside, it's gonna take you about $30. So that's the wrong side of it. Same thing goes with take profit levels. If you have a sell right here and then you have a take profit below it, then as it spikes, your take profit is gonna be right here. So instead of you to gain $5, you're gonna be gaining $30. So that's how it works. The message is just that these spikes they are way too fast for the stop loss or for the orders to be triggered. So it only gets triggered when the spike reaches its destination. That's when it's triggered. So you just lost more. So it's not like it doesn't work. It does work. Stop loss close your trade for you. Yeah, it does close your trade, but it might take out more funds than you actually expected from it, unlike other pairs like volatilities and step index. So one thing you should also know is that stop loss orders on a buy. Take for instance, you took on now that I'm selling crash. Okay, I'm on a sell for crash 500 index. So take for instance, I placed a stop loss right at this 6 to 30 point. So if I take set a stop loss right there at 6 to 30, once it gets to 6 to 30, it's going to stop immediately. It's going to take out the trade immediately. So the stop loss will be triggered right here because this price is moving upward. And once it touches the stop loss, it's going to close. But the only difference is that once there is a spike, it's not going to take it out instantly. It's going to take it out at the end of the spike, just like this. If you have a stop loss order at this level, it's going to take it out at this point. So that's just the difference between it. So it's not like stop loss orders don't work on crash and boom. It does work on crash and boom, but at the end of the spike, that is if the stop loss is at the direction or if it's triggered by a spike. So that's basically what I want you to understand. I hope it's on the 2 minutes that I promised, but if it's not, I'm sorry. Okay guys, remember we're trading crash and boom. A link to create an account is at the description below. You can also find step index and volatilities. They are all synthetic indices. A link to create an amazing account with the best broker is at the description below, and that link is also at the comment section below. So click on it to create an account. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified when I drop new video. We have amazing strategies, guys. Go and check them out. That's going to help you for real. Yeah, thanks for watching, and try and give this video a thumbs up. Just one.